How to use DND mode. Don't want to receive so many messages now? Turn on Do Not Disturb mode. All incoming calls, reminders and notifications will be auto-muted. How to do it? In this video, we'll show you how to set up it and how to use it. Let's start. You can swipe down the status bar and long press the Do Not Disturb icon in the control center. Or go to Settings. Tap Sound and Vibration. Tap Do Not Disturb. In Do Not Disturb mode, you can choose what notifications you want to receive and which type notifications you want to allow. You can choose how allowed messages are displayed. Display in status bar, banners, lock screen, or edge lighting. It's up to you. If you choose someone that allow messages and calls, you will receive his messages and calls, and others' messages and calls will be silent. Sure, to avoid missing important calls, you can choose to turn on Ring for repeated calls. The call will ring normally within 3 minutes. Or to stay focused, you can also turn on Silence Media when Do Not Disturb is on. You can also set a specific Do Not Disturb time for yourself. For example, study. Tap the Add button. Set name. Set the start. The end time. And the frequency. When the set time is reached, the phone will automatically enter the Do Not Disturb mode. Now that your Do Not Disturb mode is set up, it's ready for you to use it anytime. You can wait for the specific Do Not Disturb item time to arrive and the phone will automatically enter Do Not Disturb mode. Or swipe down the status bar and tap Do Not Disturb. A moon icon will appear in the upper of the status bar.